Hello my crafty friends, it's Jenny from OrigamiTree bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and today we will be learning how to fold an origami ladybug. But before we jump into the video, if you're interested in being a crafty friend, be sure you hit that subscribe button, also the notification bell right next to the subscribe button to be alerted of new videos when they come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the ladybug, you're going to need a square sheet of paper, a pen or a pencil or a marker to draw in the features of the ladybug, and a straight edge to draw that straight line down the middle. First, let's take our square sheet of paper and flip it around so the color side is facing down or away from us. Now let's fold the entire thing in half to create a triangle. Then we want to bring this point right to the very top and align it like this. Now we're going to do a pinch fold at the bottom, so just go like that. And then angle it a little bit outwards to right. And that is going to create the angle on the wing. Do the exact same thing on the left side. So fold it over, angle it out. Now let's rotate right over here and take this top over here and fold it down maybe about 1 centimeter or 2. And what this does, it creates that little curve on his forehead, or her forehead. I think it's a her. But anyway, we're going to take that and then fold it down again to create the head. Now you can fold it a little further down to make a bigger head. I'm just going to fold it right about here. Now let's take this tip at the very bottom and we're going to fold it up. So the reason why I'm doing it this way is because it's easier to see when you fold it up towards you, like that. And then I'm going to take this and bring it right back. So now we have that little round body at the bottom. Now let's take these wings and we're going to fold them back. So we're just going to take this and fold it over. Do the same thing on this side. Flip it around, and now let's work on this wing. So we're going to take this tip and we're going to fold it upwards just a little bit to round off that sharp edge. Do the same thing at the bottom. Flip it around and decorate. And you are done with your origami ladybug. Thank you so much for watching and for being a crafty friend. If you are new to my channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button, also the notification bell to be alerted of new free crafty fun when they come out. Leave a comment below letting me know what you love to do during the summer. I personally like to soak in the pool and just do nothing else. But anyway, and also be in an air-conditioned place. But let me know what you like to do, and I'll see you next time. Bye!